Hey everybody, this is Kay Desco from Desco Artistry, bringing you a quick part 2 of the painting I did the other day using Resin Art, resin with the Z, art with an E, and Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat. I use primarily different silvers and blues. Although this camera seems to be showing a little bit of purple in there, it really is far more of a blue. I'm going to go in a little bit closer just so I can try to show you some of these beautiful colors. The interference blue is just amazing. I hope this video will do it the justice it deserves, but it is absolutely stunning. So I just wanted to give you a good look at what we ended up creating together. I welcome comments, suggestions, ideas for the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you think I deserve it, give me a thumbs up. Signing out from Desco Artistry. Make it a great one.